In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can enable super dark mode on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to settings, and then you have to scroll through and find this option that says display and brightness and click this option. Now simply choose dark mode over here, and it's going to enable the dark mode on your iPhone. So now the second option that you can follow is go back, just close the settings app, and then you have to long press on the screen anywhere. It is going to bring you to this interface. Here, click edit on the top left corner and then choose customize over here. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page over here. And on this page, click dark. Once done, you can see you have already turned your icons to a dark mode. To make it even darker, what you can always do is go to settings and then scroll through and find accessibility option. And here you have to go to this display and text size. You'll find this under the vision section. Click this option. And here you have to scroll through and find this option that says reduce bright effects. Click this option and turn it on. And then you have to scroll through and find reduce white point and enable this option as well by clicking it. Once you do so, you can see now the screen is even darker. By dragging this button over here, you can reduce the white point and adjust the darkness as much as you want. And that's how you enable super dark mode on your iPhone.